Hi, this is Shannon with Bioanalyzer, and I'm going to give you a preview of what a body scan looks like with a biofeedback machine. I've already selected some items to scan, and we're going to start scanning now. And as you can see, it starts sending frequencies through the body, and it gets feedback from the different organs and tissues of what state of energy they are in. And you will notice that there's these numbers along the bottom that show up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And those are the different energy levels of the tissue and the organs. 1, 2, and 3 is normal strength of these body parts that we're scanning. If there's a 4, it's an indication of a problem that might be on the horizon, tissue that is showing some weakness. If it's a 5, it's a condition that is present. It might not have been there very long, and is going to be easier to resolve. If there are 6s, this is a chronic condition that may have been going on in your body for a long time. It's something you need to seriously look at and address. And what the bioanalyzer does, it figures out where the most critical weaknesses are in your body so that you can really get to the root cause of your problem. As you will see, when the scan is finished, it shows you the weakest points of different various tissue throughout the body. And then you also notice this graph with the blue and the red line. You want those two lines to follow each other as close as possible. That means the activity of the organ or the tissue is normal. But when you see large gaps between the red line and the blue line, that means that there is problems and energy weaknesses there that you need to pay attention to. The red line is the hyperactivity of the tissue, and the blue line is the hypoactivity. And ultimately, this graph shows us where to look for the primary problems that the scan found in the body. There are over 843 organs, tissues, body parts, bones, DNA, chromosomes, blood cells, and different various tissues that can be scanned with the bioanalyzer. It's really a powerful way to be in control of your own health issues, because it helps you discover in a non-invasive way what is really at the root of your health issues, including microorganisms, pathogens, parasites, viruses, fungus, and these various types of things that do cause us health issues. Once the scan is over, you're presented with this graph here that shows you the state of these different tissues. For example, in this case, the stomach is having some problems. So we can examine the stomach, and you can see the two lines don't follow each other closely. There's some large gaps which indicate where there's a potential problem. And we can go here and we can click on microorganisms, and here the result is there's the pathogens that are affecting our stomach. And we can do a scan and confirm whether this particular pathogen is affecting ourselves in a high manner or maybe just a little. But it does verify whether this pathogen really exists in our body by doing an additional scan. And in this case, you can see it's weakening the stomach by 3%. So we need to treat this pathogen. We need to destroy this pathogen. And that's exactly what the device is able to do. Also, you can strengthen the stomach itself by giving what we call metatherapy. The device will strengthen that tissue by sending strengthening frequencies to normalize the tissue in the body wherever you want, wherever you find problems. It also creates remedies that you can make, such as homeopathic remedies. It has a cup, and you can put a little bottle with an eyedropper in it and send the healing frequencies into that bottle, and then take them throughout the week to either destroy pathogens or to strengthen the tissue that's having a problem. So that is a quick overview of what a scan looks like using Bioanalyzer, but there are still literally dozens and dozens of other things you can do with this software, including looking at heavy metals, vitamins, foods, emotions, to see if any of those things are also affecting the health of the body. So if you'd like a further demonstration of this software, please feel free to send me an email and we can set up a team viewer demonstration so you can see exactly how it works and many more features that are included in the software. Hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.